Number 1, select the figures that are shaded to show equivalent fractions. Number 2, Dawn needs to fix windows in her house. She must buy 3 feet of wood, which costs $7 per foot. She also needs to buy 4 pieces of glass. Each piece of glass costs $23. What will be the total cost for fixing the windows? A, $30, B, $90, C, $113, or D, $176. Number 3, Caleb wants to draw a line on each figure that will intersect it at only one point, even if the rays and lines extend forever. Select the figure for which this is impossible. Number 4, Emily wants to draw a line parallel to one of the lines in the figure that does not intersect the other line in the figure, even if the rays and lines are extended forever. Select the figure for which this is possible. Number 5, use the circles below to answer parts A and B. Part A, shade parts of the second circle to show a fraction equivalent to the fraction modeled in the first circle. Part B, write a number in each box to complete the equation and represent the equivalent fractions shown in the models. Number 6, Mrs. Galloway made soup over the weekend. Which of the following amounts below is the most reasonable estimate for the amount of soup she made? A, 10 milliliters, B, 100 milliliters, C, 1 liter, or D, 100 liters. 7. There are 158 fourth grade students and 139 fifth grade students going on a field trip. There needs to be at least one adult chaperone for every 8 students. Which correctly explains how to find the number of chaperones needed for the trip? A, there should be 297 divided by 8 equals 35 are 7 chaperones. Round the answer down to the nearest whole number. There are 45 chaperones needed. B, there should be 297 divided by 8 equals 35 chaperones. Increase the quotient by 1. There are 36 chaperones needed. C, there should be 297 divided by 8 equals 37 chaperones. Round the answer down to the nearest whole number. There are 37 chaperones needed. D, there should be 297 divided by 8 equals 37 chaperones. Increase the quotient by 1. There are 38 chaperones needed. 8. Karen runs for 45 minutes every day. Which unit best describes the distance Karen runs each day? A, 50 kilometers, B, 5 kilometers, C, 50 meters, or D, 50 centimeters. 9. The table shows the number and type of DVDs in Clint's collection. He can fit up to 9 DVDs on a shelf. Comedy, 30. Mystery, 25. Adventure, 16. Part A. What is the least number of shelves he needs for all of his comedy and mystery DVDs? Part B. What is the least number of shelves he needs for all of his DVDs? Number 10. Which pair of figures represents equivalent fractions?